The following demonstration will show the airflow and pressure drop differences for various air filters. We have taken a section from each of the example filters for the purpose of fitting our demo. The filters themselves have not been altered in any manner. The ping pong ball will show relative airflow, and the digital manometer will show the relative pressure drop for each filter. Without a filter, the ping pong ball floats strongly in the tube. We'll start with a couple of 4-inch competitive filters. Here we have a 4-inch 3M filter model 1550. 3M chooses not to have their filters tested for the official MERV rating and instead have created their own measurement called MPR. The 3M 1550 is equivalent to a MERV 12. You can see the airflow impact and the pressure drop, which exceeds 0.3. Next, we'll look at a best air filter sold through HVAC distributors and online. This is their MERV 12 to 13 carbon filter, and it says right on the filter that it fits Lennox. The airflow is insufficient to float the ping pong ball, and you can see the pressure drop rating. This one also exceeds 0.3. Now we are going to try a 1-inch filter from 3M, the red model 1000, and perhaps the top-selling filter on the market. The airflow dropped quickly and you can see the pressure drop exceeds 0.4. "3M has many different filters, and this next model is a higher efficiency filter. Model 2400 is about a MERV 12. The drop in airflow was so dramatic that the ping pong ball bounced. Half an inch of static pressure. What is that going to do to the furnace motor? Now let's look at two filters from Lennox, the Healthy Climate MERV 11 and the Carbon Clean 16, a MERV 16 filter and the top-rated filter since 2007 according to a leading consumer magazine. First, the Lennox MERV 11. You can see our airflow is strong as the ping pong ball is floating high in the tube, and our pressure drop is very low, showing a reading of 0.22. Next, we'll look at the Lennox Carbon Clean 16, the highest rated MERV filter in the residential market. Many contractors assume the higher efficiency or higher MERV must mean higher pressure drop. Let's see if that's the case. As you can see, our airflow remains strong and the pressure drop that is reading is a very modest 0.25. Based on testing from Lennox and from a third-party laboratory, filters from other manufacturers are largely consistent with what we've seen here, whether it's 3M, Best Air, Aprilaire, Honeywell, or others. No one can approach Lennox's superior combination of high filter efficiency and airflow. How does Lennox accomplish this, particularly with the MERV 16? The answer is twofold: specialized media and a lot of it. In fact, the Carbon Clean 16 filter has 83 square feet of media. If the filter was unrolled, it would be 42 feet long. That is a ton of surface area, which equates to less resistance and higher airflow. Unlike many of our competitors who do not make furnaces or air handlers, Lennox is in the business of selling complete HVAC systems. Therefore, our filters must work well with the furnace or air handler and deliver the CFM the contractor has designed for while not overworking the furnace fan motor and causing it to fail. This demonstration has also shown that high efficiency does not have to mean high pressure drop. As demonstrated, the Lennox Carbon Clean 16 not only far surpasses the filter efficiency and MERV rating of the competitive filters, but delivers stronger airflow and lower pressure drop while doing so.